Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the BMW X6 in Forza Horizon 5. First, understand that the BMW X6M is a highly sought-after vehicle known for its excellent performance and distinctive design within the game. There are a few primary ways to add this powerful SUV to your garage, and we'll cover each one to ensure you can drive it across Mexico's diverse landscapes. Let's dive into the details of acquiring this fantastic car. One of the most common ways to get the BMW X6M is through the auction house. This in-game marketplace allows players to buy and sell vehicles. You'll need to navigate to the auction house from your festival site or house, then use the search filters to specifically look for the BMW X6M. Prices can vary significantly based on demand and seller, so be ready to place competitive bids to secure your new ride. Another excellent method involves keeping an eye on the Forza shop and seasonal events. The Forza shop rotates its inventory regularly, sometimes offering the BMW X6M for Forza points. You earn these points by completing daily and weekly Forza challenges. Additionally, the car might appear as a reward in the festival playlist for completing specific seasonal championships or challenges, so always check the current season's offerings. Finally, consider checking if the BMW X6M is part of any car pass or downloadable content. Sometimes, specific vehicles are bundled with expansions or special editions of the game. Also, keep an eye out for any limited-time events or special challenges that might offer the car as a reward. These opportunities can pop up unexpectedly, so staying engaged with the game is key. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your real-life ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.